In a significant move towards the Gambianization of the country's justice system, the Judiciary of the Gambia sworn in 3 young Gambians as High Court judges on Thursday. Additionally, a judge from the Federal Republic of Nigeria was also sworn in during the event. The newly appointed Gambian High Court judges are Honorable Justice Omar Suso, Honorable Justice Omar Cham, Honorable Justice Yakar Cox. This ceremony follows last week's swearing in of 3 young Gambians as first-class magistrates for the subordinate courts aimed at expediting case delivery. The Judiciary of the Gambia, like in many other countries, plays a crucial role in upholding the rule of law, ensuring justice, and safeguarding citizens' rights and freedoms. Honorable Chief Justice Hassan B. Jallo expressed confidence that the new High Court judges will enhance the handling of cases in Brikama and other jurisdictions.
The significance of the event today is not just in numbers. The numbers are important, with 4 judges having been sworn in, and the assignments of their responsibilities. We expect that we will now be able to strengthen the High Court in Brikama with 3 full-time High Court judges. That's a region where a significant number, as you are aware, of our cases, particularly land cases, emanate from that particular region. And it's important we strengthen the capacity of the court in Brikama to deal with cases from the West Coast region. So we're looking forward to the 3rd judge joining their lordships, Justice Awolabi and Justice Tabali, very soon. In the same vein, the Special Criminal Division of the High Court will be strengthened with the assignment of the Honorable Omar Cham. I almost called him Master. I think we'll continue calling him Master for a while before we get used to that. With the reassignment of the Honorable Justice Omar Cham to Bakau as part of the Special Criminal Division of the High Court. The Honorable Justice Suso will go to Brikama. Honorable Justice Yakar Cox will stay with us here, and as a specialist in commercial law, will be part of the nucleus for the creation of the Commercial Division of the High Court.
The judiciary is committed to guaranteeing fair trials for individuals accused of crimes, which encompasses the rights to legal representation, speedy trials, evidence presentation, and confrontation of witnesses. The Solicitor General and Legal Secretary at the Ministry of Justice and Attorney General's chambers voiced confidence that the newly appointed judges will uphold these principles of fairness.
My Lord, the position of a judge is one of the most revered ones in our society, as it requires more than just knowledge of the law. It demands integrity, impartiality, wisdom, and a deep sense of justice, qualities which we are convinced all the judges being sworn in today have fulfilled. As the judges assume this new role, we reflect on the weight of the responsibilities that come with it, for they are indeed immense and vital. Judges hold a unique place in our democracy, and in their hands lies the power to uphold the law, defend the Constitution, and ensure that justice is served, no matter the challenges they face. As the newly appointed judges take the oath today, we are reminded of the sacred trust placed in the judiciary, a trust rooted in the belief that judges will be fair and impartial, committed to truth and justice, and unwavering in their dedication to the rule of law.
With the judiciary facing a backlog of cases, the Vice President of the Gambia Bar Association, Counsel Frederick Foster, emphasized that these appointments would alleviate the caseload burden on High Court judges.
We are increasingly becoming a highly litigious society. As society becomes more au fait with their rights, and the increase in the number of legal practitioners in the Gambia, the public is becoming more inclined to approaching the courts for judicial redress, which directly impacts the service delivery capacity of the judiciary. In that regard, the appointment of more judges will address the challenges presented by the large volume of cases currently before our courts, both subordinate and superior. Thus, the more judges we have, the more we are able to tackle the perennial issue of such delays and backlog of cases. This allows for a more equitable distribution of cases, and the load and burden on judges reduced to enable them to carry out the judicial functions more effectively and efficiently.
Judges in the Gambia have a primary responsibility to interpret laws enacted by the legislature. They must apply these laws to the specific cases brought before them, ensuring that justice is administered in accordance with the law. Speaking on behalf of her fellow judges, Honorable Justice Sonia assured the Gambian public that they are committed to meeting the expectations of their roles.
We assure, my lords, the entirety of the judiciary of the Gambia, the entirety of the bar, the entire public, that we are poised to serve diligently, transparently, and honestly, bearing in mind the admonition of the holy books, that with what measure that you judge men, so shall you be judged in the hereafter. With God's guidance, justice delivery without delay, and with the fear of God is our goal. We earnestly pray that we are worthy of this high office bestowed on us today. Once again, on behalf of the four of us, I say thank you very much.
Judges in the Gambia are tasked with protecting constitutional rights and freedoms, including freedom of speech, freedom of religion, and the right to a fair trial. Reporting for Kerfatu, I am Landin Cisse.